10 new car gadgets that will upgrade your vehicle. Here is a crazy fact. According to recent studies, the average person spends over 18 days a year in their car. That is over 400 hours of commuting, errand running, road tripping, and yes, sitting in traffic. And yet, most of us treat our vehicles like outdated tech. Slow chargers, cluttered dashboards, zero safety upgrades, and gadgets that barely keep up with our lives. But what if just a few smart gadgets could completely transform your driving experience? Whether you are aiming for comfort, convenience, or just trying not to lose your mind in rush hour, today's list of 10 new car gadgets from Amazon will level up your ride like never before. Anker 75-watt USB-C car charger. Let's kick things off with a serious power boost. The Anker 75-watt USB-C car charger is like giving your vehicle a Tesla-style charging station for all your devices. With dual ports, one USB-C power delivery and one USB-A, you can fast charge a laptop and a smartphone at the same time without frying your fuse. Perfect for anyone who relies on their tech while on the road, whether that is for work calls, streaming, or GPS. Some cheaper car chargers slow to a crawl after 10 minutes or overheat in hot interiors, but Anker's reputation for safe and stable power makes this a standout. Just do not be surprised if your passengers start calling shotgun just to hog the charger. Rove R2-4 K-Cam. If you think dash cams are only for cab drivers and viral road rage videos, think again. The Rove R2-4 K-Cam records ultra-high-definition video, even in low-light conditions, giving you undeniable proof in case of accidents, hit-and-runs, or just crazy drivers doing donuts in a parking lot. With built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and a mobile app to download footage instantly, it is designed for people who want to protect themselves without dealing with clunky setups. And yes, parking mode means it keeps an eye on your car even when you are grabbing groceries. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If you like the idea of a dash cam but hate bulky gear on your windshield, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is your stealthy little guardian angel. It is the size of a key fob but records 1080p HD video with a wide 140-degree field of view, automatically saving footage when motion or collisions are detected. It plugs right into your car's power outlet and tucks neatly behind the rearview mirror, so most people will not even notice it is there. There is no built-in screen, which might bother some users, but everything is accessible via the Garmin app. Think of it as your silent witness, always watching, never complaining, and never draining your battery or your patience. Nanda Smart Car Charger with Bluetooth Tracker. Here is a fun one. What if your car charger could also find your lost vehicle? The Nanda Smart Car Charger does exactly that. Not only does it charge your devices through dual USB ports, but it also connects to your phone via Bluetooth to remember where you parked. Perfect for crowded mall lots, massive stadium parking zones, or that "where did I leave it" moment after a late night. The app also provides battery health readings and driving logs, turning this little gadget into a surprisingly versatile dashboard tool. Some might see it as overkill, but if you have ever wandered aimlessly through rows of SUVs in a heat wave, you know this thing is borderline genius. Gulu GT 4000 Jump Starter. This one is for the just-in-case moments you hope never happen, like your car refusing to start in the middle of nowhere. The Gulu GT 4000 Jump Starter is a portable powerhouse that can jumpstart even large diesel trucks with its 4,000 amp peak current. It also doubles as a power bank and emergency flashlight, making it a must-have for road trips and solo drivers. With advanced safety features like spark-proof clamps and reverse polarity protection, it is surprisingly user-friendly, even if you have never used a jump starter in your life. Sure, it is bulkier than a phone charger, but it fits right in your trunk or glove box, because nothing ruins a day faster than waiting hours for roadside assistance that may or may not show up. iOtti Easy One Touch 5 Dashboard Mount. Ever tried to follow GPS directions while your phone slides across the dashboard like a hockey puck? The iOtti Easy One Touch 5 is here to fix that. This mount sticks to your dash or windshield and holds your phone securely with a simple one-handed locking mechanism. Just place your phone in, press, and click. It supports devices of all sizes and rotates for portrait or landscape mode. The telescopic arm and adjustable foot mean it can be tailored exactly to your preference. It is not entirely vibration-proof on rough roads, but for daily driving and long trips, it keeps your phone exactly where you need it. No more fumbling, dropping, or dangerously glancing at your lap. Thule Trunk Organizer. Let's face it, most car trunks look like they belong in a lost and found bin. The Thule Trunk Organizer changes that with rugged compartments, waterproof materials, and smart fold-flat storage that keeps your gear in check. Whether you are hauling groceries, tools, emergency supplies, or sports gear, this organizer stops things from rolling around or spilling open during sharp turns. It is collapsible when not in use, but trust me, you will probably leave it open permanently because it is just that useful. The price point might be higher than no-name versions, but the durability and thoughtful design make it worth every dollar. Because if your car is your second home, it should not look like a disaster zone. FIXD OBD2 Bluetooth Diagnostic Sensor. You know that terrifying moment when your check engine light turns on and your brain screams, "How much is this going to cost?" FIXD is here to calm you down. This small sensor plugs into your car's OBD2 port and syncs with your phone to tell you exactly what that light means. From engine faults to maintenance reminders, it translates car jargon into human language, so you know whether it is urgent or just something minor. It even works across multiple vehicles, making it perfect for families or anyone buying used cars. Just remember, it cannot fix the problem. It can only tell you what it is. But that knowledge alone can save you hundreds in unnecessary repairs or scams at the mechanic. Baseus Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Fast food crumbs, beach sand, pet hair, whatever mess your car collects, the Baseus Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner sucks it up with surprising power. This compact wireless vac comes with multiple nozzles for tight corners, under seats, and in between cup holders. It charges via USB-C and holds enough battery for a full interior cleanup, all without lugging out a full-size vacuum or heading to the car wash. It is not built for industrial-level dirt, so do not expect miracles on wet or heavy debris. But for day-to-day upkeep, it is a total game-changer. You might even start to enjoy cleaning your car, or at least not dread it as much. Escort Max 360C Radar Detector. Last but not least, for the speed demons or those who just want to avoid surprise tickets, the Escort Max 360C Radar Detector is a top-tier guardian against speed traps and hidden cameras. It uses directional arrows to show you where radar signals are coming from and connects via Wi-Fi to update in real time with crowdsourced alerts. It also detects laser and multiple radar bands with fewer false alarms than most competitors. Some states have restrictions on radar detectors, so always check your local laws. But if you drive a lot, especially on highways, this device can pay for itself in avoided fines and keep your awareness sharper on the road. If you enjoyed this guide to leveling up your ride, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you do not miss our next round of tech recommendations. Drop a comment below and let us know which gadget caught your eye, or which one already saved your road trip. Thanks for watching and drive smart out there.